Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to manage app permissions on your iPhone. Understanding permissions is crucial for your privacy and security. First, let's access the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen, just tap on the icon. Now, let's review the different types of permissions available: location, camera, and microphone. Each serves a specific purpose in your apps. To manage location permissions, scroll down to Location Services. Here, you can adjust access for individual apps. Next, let's adjust camera and microphone permissions. Make sure only the apps you trust have access to these features. You can also manage app-specific notifications for better privacy. Go to Notifications in the settings to customize them. Understanding background app refresh is important. You can turn it off for apps that don't need to run in the background. Now, let's check the privacy section. This gives you a comprehensive view of all app permissions at a glance. Finally, you can use screen time to set app limits and permissions to enhance your control over usage. To wrap up, always remember to regularly review your app permissions for your security. Thanks for watching.